how to add text box on Shopify product page. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can add in a text box on Shopify's product page. So from the left side, click on online store, and then after that simply go to the page that you guys want to add a product page on. So I'm going to go to pages, and now over here I currently have one page. So I'm going to open up this page, and now from over here I can simply click on view page, and then that's gonna take me over here. Now on the contact page, of course you guys cannot add in a lot of stuff. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna create a product page right now in front of you guys. So once I do this, now after that I will simply click on save, and then once I click on save, now we have this page created. So now we're gonna click on a view page, and that's gonna take us over here. So now from over here we can actually start to modify these pages. So from the left side, simply click on themes. So from over here, click on customize, and then after that it's gonna take you over to your pages. So depending upon how many pages you have, you are gonna see all of those pages over here. So now from over here, to add in a text box, what you guys need to do is that you guys just need to take a look at the left side, and you have all the options such as text, video, multi-column, and so much more. Simply click on this rich text option and then click on add block. And then after that, choose what type of block do you want to add. Is it a heading, caption, text, or is it a button? So I'm going to click on heading, and now we have this text box over here. We can also move this text box around as well if you want to, but of course we can always keep it as it is. So guys, now you can simply modify the text in this box from the right side, and you guys can type in whatever you want. So guys, that is how you can add in a text box on Shopify product page. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.